TLC was good? No. That boy. Woo. It's recording. That smell, oh my god, it smells like chlorine. Huh?
Bring it back.
Point your finger. God damn.
I like this good. That's all. You got one right in the middle.
I'm a killer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70%?
Did you only shoot 7 or 10?
10.
Okay, that's not bad.
Who gotta shoot this?
I want to go.
I took my time.
Whew, I'm getting hot. What happened?
Like, I don't know how to position her to hold it because it's more in her arm than her shoulder.
Does she know how to hold it? You seen how to hold it? Go to my right.
Oh, shit.
Go to my right. So you go like this. You see how I got it?
Yeah.
So up, you gotta bring it eyes length. And then aim into it. You got it?
Okay.
You that looks really good.
Huh?
You gotta take it up a stick.
Take it off safely. Cock it.
Cock it back.
Bring it to the front. Bring it to the front.
You gotta hold it tight, Deja.
Shit.
Cock it. Cock it. Cock it, Deja.
I only get 2.
Cock it so we see your ammo coming out. There we go. There you go.
Thank you. Yeah, I missed it completely.
That's okay. I missed 2. At least you hit the splatter.
Alright, so we gonna get an extra one.
You wanna go buy a
Oh,
box?
that shotgun is
You wanna, it's
fun.
like $8.
Huh?
We could go buy. Damn, he gave us a limit. That's the thing.
I might as well take the cardboard home. It wasn't even worth it.
What up?
Nah, but
How much ammo left?
You have to put it on that one.
This the last one?
Yeah. Nah. We got ammo right here too.
Oh shit. Give me a target. Give me a target.
Where's the target at?
I don't have any. Get a paper one. Good looks. How I use this?
Put it in. There you go.
That's it.
I don't got. How far you put it?
You're gonna count.
How far you put it?
Huh?
How far you put it?
That's good.
This. Hold up.
Get the shotgun.
Shot.
Everybody did this?
You ready?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, to your left.
Shaq, how you open this?
Huh?
How you open this?
Bring that down. It's hard. I got it.
You have to skip them. You're supposed to cook it every time.
No, I think I
Just
did.
pick out the ones that's done. That's it.
That shit kept hitting me. Something was ricocheting on. I only had one.
You only had one?
Damn, bro.
I shall fall. That's a fucking 20%. Russian roulette, you think you like that?
You back at this one.
Huh?
You back at this one.
There's more ammo?
2.
Huh?
1 and 1.
You want to shoot it? Alright, fam, let's see what you hit. Let me see what you
go first.
You want me to go first? You loaded it for me?
Okay?
Yeah, because I didn't even get to do it properly the first time.
Got this. I like it. Alright.
Just like that. Hold up, hold up, hold up. You saved it?
Yeah.
Hold up, hold up. Hold one more time. Let people see that. Ready? Just like that, man. Just like that. Just like that, man. Put on my phone?
Oh, yeah.
Bro. That nigga jaw gone. Hold on, hold on. You loaded it? I ain't loaded for you.
Nah.
Oh, okay. Hold up, wait, wait, wait. Huh? Yeah, you holding it good. You just gotta wait the ball. Say, wait, wait, wait. Wait, give me a second.
Do the Russian relay way. Pop it.
The AR? Devontae? Mine was better. Mine was better. You caught that nigga, caught that nigga eyebrow. Caught that nigga eyebrow.
Fuck it, we both hit.
I caught him right here and I just caught the eyebrow.
We both hit, fuck it.
Like that?
At this. Oh, you didn't catch it?
I don't think so.
It's the first one for me.
My shit hit. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, I got it.
My shit hit.
Damn, this shit. I
Shit hit.
Why the shotgun this don't hit like this? Yo, the shotgun.
Yours? The shotgun?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Look.
No cap.
Huh?
And 1.
What?
This shit will kill a nigga 2 times.
Bro, this shit done up.
This is the shit that leaves you a hole in your face.
Bro, this that shit that you don't want to come back to a nigga house.
This is that shit. If they catch you, if they don't catch you in a good spot, you feel me? If they catch you in your
Throw it
mouth
away.
or some shit, like let's say they great, you gotta have a big ass hole inside your mouth.
Bro, let a nigga catch you. Bro, it's mad easy to load too, bro. Literally 10 seconds. 1. Bow. Literally 10 seconds, bro. Literally, let me show you. I have my ammo. I have my, look, let me see how long it takes. Boom. 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 That's 10 seconds. We out. Everybody, that's every gun. We have one more gun, then we out.
Nah, chill.
Huh?
One more.
We have a gun 40. What else we shooting?
1911.
Huh? We don't have ammo for a 1911.
What you mean?
We gonna buy ammo for it?
I'm gonna borrow shit.
Oh nah, my son wanna shoot the whole freaking arsenal.
You trying to live his life to the fullest right now.
Shit, I don't know when I'm coming back. Might as well.